Hi, everyone. My name is Irene Choi, and I'm an incoming researcher at the Cleveland Clinic. Today, I'll briefly walk you through what to do when you first arrive at the AUA annual meeting. Before you arrive, I highly recommend downloading the AUA 2026 annual meeting app. It's your all in one resource for the schedule, maps, and session content, and it'll make navigating the meeting much easier. Once you get there, start by dropping off your bags at your hotel or a storage area so you're not carrying them around. Then, head straight to registration to pick up your badge. This is essential for getting into sessions and events, and it's best to do it early to avoid long lines. After that, you're all set. See you there.